all you need to do is get lost in the tunnel at the limit.
Yeah, you got to take down small.
Place of the
The holes in there are from the drilling process. And then, of course, if the water finds its avenue there, it will come out.
Now, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be kind of on your own. This does end the guided part of the tour. When the doors open again, you're on the exhibit level. First thing you might want to do is see the photo you had taken on the way in. It's a great souvenir if you're interested. Or talk to them behind the counter to your left. They'll give you all the information there. Then check out the exhibits, which are kind of interesting. But before you leave the building, the best view of the dam is at the top of the building. That's the overlook. Definitely go up there if you want to take your own photographs of the dam. And this elevator, however, will not take you up there. You have to use the one at the back of the building or stairs. Restrooms, if you need those, are in that same direction down there. Any questions you might have? Anything at all? Chris must have done a heck of a job.
Somebody told us after 9/11 that you couldn't drive across it anymore?
That's correct. Well, you could, but the big rigs had to go down to the next crossing over, which would be Davis Dam. We could let the smaller vehicles go across, subject to search, which is still the case today, but it was closed for a while, so they got that in place. Thank you for visiting, folks.
Thank you.
Go to your left.
Oh, just like that.
It is top.
Let's go check that out.
Okay.
Go check out that house.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And I'll go check out the photo, all right? It might be worth buying.
Base